So hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are solving a LeetCode problem number 1304. Find n unique integer sum up to 0. This is very easy max based problem that can be solved using a simple observation. So let's get started. So the problem statement says that we are given an integer and our task is to create an array of n unique integer such that the sum of all the element is equals to 0. Let's understand with an example. So simply we have given a plain text n is equals to 5. So the possible answers are minus 1, 1, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. All numbers are unique and the sum is also 0. The important observation is every positive number can be paired with its negative number. For example, 1 and minus 1, 2 and minus 2, 3 and minus 3. Each pair add up to 0. If n is odd, we simply add 0 in the mid of the table. This keeps the total number of sum is equals to 0. The approach is simple. Create an empty array for every element from 1 to n by 2. Add plus I and minus I. If n is odd, also add 0. Finally, return the array. So let's move with the code. So first we analyze vector. Vector in which we are storing the answer. We will run for loop. We initialize I is equals to 1, which I is less than equals to n by 2, and then I will increment itself. Answer dot push back I and answer dot push back minus I. If n modulus 2 equals to 1, answer dot push underscore back will return 0. Return answer at last. So this is a basic solution code for this. So first we create an empty vector called answer. Now we run a loop from 1 to n divided by 2. For every element we add the positive value and the negative value. Each value contributes 0 to the sum after the loop. If n is odd, we simply add 0. Finally we return the answer in the form of array. So the time complexity is O into n because we generate n numbers, and place complexity is also O into n because we stored the answer in the vector form. So that was the simplest solution for LeetCode 1304. Find n unique integer sum up to 0. The key idea is to use negative and positive pair and add 0 when n is odd. If this explanation helps you, make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel and comment the next LeetCode problem you want. Thank you for watching.